Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Transform your life. When you refuse to take things personally, you avoid many upsets in your life. The feelings of anger, jealousy, and even sadness will simply disappear if you don't take them personally. A little harder than it says. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 193, NASDAQ off 59, S&P's off 20. We did get volume inside the NYSE, folks. Not inside the NASDAQ Composite, but volume came in, did 800 million inside the NYSE. Composite only 2 billion, so Composite still wants to bounce out here. Gold contract got slammed as the dollar went higher. Gold contract down $26, trading at $12.92. Silver was down 37 cents. Percentage-wise out here, what you had the silver contract come down 2%. You had the gold contract come down, where is she? Yeah, but they're both approximately 2%. Silver was down 2.1, gold was down 1.98. Oil hung in price, up 19 cents, $71.15 a barrel. Notes and bonds, they also came down hard. You had the 10-year note down 17 ticks, 118.22. 30-year bond down a point and a half, 141.11. If we get open, we take a look at the 10-year first. What you're going to see is this. 10-year, we did 2.3 million contracts. You broke the B point, had the volume on the move as you broke it. That sets up a 117.5. And so that's bottom line is that you got about 22, 32, 37 ticks. Down to finish out that ABC structure. 30-year also did an ABC structure on the way down. 30-year took out the swing low that was established out here February 21st. 30-year did 415,000. That was taking out the B point of 41.17, and that's going to set up a 139.04 number. The intriguing thing about the 30-year, both the 30 and the 10, let me bring this up for you because this is really cool. Have understanding the 10, because the 10-year is the number, folks, that most of us really want to pay the most attention to. The reason being is that if you do own a house and you get a mortgage, those basically those mortgage rates are taking off the 10-year rate. That's how this works. Now, check this out, because this is pretty cool. If I bring this back, I'm going to put this on a continuous contract, what you're going to see is that, put this on a monthly, is that you're going to see that the 10-year has been in an ABC structure on the way down. Well, your price projection in this 10-year, so the A point out here was established July of 2016. That comes down to 123. Your C point out here is 128. Well, that comes down to 117 and like 0.16. Now that's pretty cool because what happens is this: is that down at those levels you have plenty of support, but what you also have, that is a very large ABC structure down that started 2 years ago. How's that? 2 years ago, July. So your probability is very good that that structure will finish off, and then guess what? When you do a 2-year ABC structure on the way down or on the way up, you do something other than the same way that you were going because you filled the price projection. So it's going to be cool watching how this whole thing shakes out. King dollar. King dollar basically went topside once again. King dollar was going after that December 2017 high. We did 29,000 contracts. That was going at the 27,000. King dollar's wide open to hit the 93,480 mark. What's going to be intriguing out here is that, yes, the notes and bond market have got hit and have got hit big, but what we just got coming across the tape also is that the Chinese just continue to buy our bonds. Bottom line, this is the highest level. The numbers just came out. It's the highest level in the past 6 months. So they're buying all the way down, too. Bottom line is that they've been making money on our bonds for years, and guess what? they still are willing to buy the bonds and buy them in a big way. Let's go over and take a look at, we got BECN. You got Beacon. This is a roofing company, Beacon Roofing. The low for the year is $39. Well, it's been trading at the low. The high is $66. It's trading $40. It closed at $40. That equity is trading $40 right now. And let's see. Yeah, bottom line, that's been, yeah, that got toasted a couple days ago. And, you know, we were talking about this morning, Tommy and I, on the Home Depot deal. Now, Home Depot come out with numbers, but Home Depot, bottom line, did not get smoked. Beacon, and this would totally make sense because I know how many roofs I've put on houses, and it's a lot. Bottom line is that, picture something, folks. You have the crash of 2007. Let's say by 2010, people are buying houses again. They're doing them over. All these houses needed roofs. Every single house, bottom line, if you're in this business, needed a roof. Well, guess what? All of those houses are already done. That would totally make sense that when you take a look at this, what you have here, watch this when we put this up. And there's a lot of money in the roofing business. But the bottom line is that this baby topped out in 2018. Because I suspect most of their money was made not by building new houses. What you have is that new houses, basically there's still not a lot of them being built compared to what has been built in the past. The amount of houses that were not taken care of that got built, guess what? That part, I suspect, in the whole country, the bulk of that is already done. So you can expect anyone that has been supplying that bulk would pull back, because that's where you get the double banger. The double banger being you get people doing over the houses, people, all the big funds buying them, all of the above. That's how that baby shakes out. Some of the higher volume stocks in this marketplace out here, when we take a look at it, you have Advanced Micro is up 22 cents today. You had NVIDIA down $9.80. Microsoft was off 71. If we do take a look at the NVIDIA space, NVIDIA, bottom line, broke into its lower range again. It's going to be dangerous for NVIDIA, down $9.80. You're off the high of 260 or 245. And NVIDIA is in like a 20% consolidation. It's a monster, folks. Stay right there. We'll get our man, Mr. Andy Heck, come back with us, growling a problem with us. Dow closed down 191, NASDAQ off 59, S&P's off 22. Come right back.